We bought a car.
After living in Auckland for 3 months, it was finally time to leave the apartment and do what we came here for.
I have no idea why I'm so nervous and excited. It's time. We don't have a house anymore.
It has always been a dream to travel to New Zealand with our own van, and I can't believe we're actually about to start this adventure together. We are Alex and Gioya, and this is our first day living in our van. With this van we will explore every corner of New Zealand for the next 6 to 8 months.
Estimated arrival is in about 20 minutes, and then we will do a stop for groceries, sit back, relax and enjoy the ride.
So, we bought a car.
What car?
What car? We bought a van and it's finally time to start our adventure here in New Zealand. And I literally can't stop smiling since we left.
My cheeks are
Yeah, my cheeks are just hurting. But yeah, we dropped all that we have just in the back here and it's a huge mess right now. So we only drove, what, 1.5 hours?
From Auckland. Now we're at Port Albert Wharf. It's a nice lake over there, I'm going to show you later.
Yeah.
A little pier that you can walk out. It would have been perfect if we could fish, but someone didn't buy a fishing rod. So
Not yet. That's on my list.
But today we're just gonna get settled in,
Yeah.
take everything out and put it back in place where it can be, and then
We just wanted a chill spot where we had space to do it. Yeah, we are really in the beginning stage of van life, so we really need to figure everything out. And for this spot, you need to be self-contained, and there are toilets here. That's the only thing. So I'm very curious how they look like. We do have our own toilets, as you can see. But yeah.
And we have water in the van, so we can
just did
drink water and everything.
all our groceries and...
In our fridge here.
Oh, it's gonna be so cozy.
Yes. Exciting to start.
Yes.
Now let's get unpacked so we
Yeah.
can have some lunch.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, I'm just so happy doing this.
That's gonna be so nice.
This is so
Get the
cute.
table on. Now we need it.
Oh my god.
Welcome home.
Oh, this is amazing. It's so cute. It really feels like vacation now. Just can't stop smiling. I am so happy right now. I was so nervous to do this, and now we are sitting here making our lunch in nature, in the sun. It's so much better than our apartment already.
So much stuff. Hey!
Hey.
How was it?
Yeah, good.
Yeah?
Yeah, the toilets are decent. Well maintained, nice, clean. Normal flush, which is also nice. I actually thought one of the first things we might do is we have like a moist blanket that we can go under our bed, but when we make it a seating area, it doesn't fit. So I think we're gonna cut a hole so we can easily take that in and out and always leave the moist blanket thing underneath.
Yeah.
So yeah, maybe that's a smart thing to start.
So the point of this is that, I know we didn't cut it amazingly here, but
It's beautiful.
yeah, it's beautiful. So if it's like moist in the van, then it won't stick here and there won't be, how do you call it? Almost.
I somehow managed to get my suitcase in there now, but
Yeah.
I would love for it to take up a little bit less space somehow, but I don't think that's possible.
I think it's okay. I think it fits perfectly.
Yeah.
It already feels like home a little bit.
Yeah, it's good to do all of
It's
it.
a really, we have a lot of more space than I thought.
We finished unpacking! Toilet. I'm gonna do a toilet check. Very important. I think in every place we are going, I'm gonna do a toilet check. That's the toilet. Of course I'm going to the wrong side. This is gonna be our life. Smells very good. This is the toilet setup.
So a couple of hours we spent just getting the van ready.
2 or 3 hours maybe.
So now everything has a spot. Everything's not perfect yet, but pretty much everything has a spot
Yeah.
now. We'll see how it works and pretty much sort that out as we go as well. But
It's slowly gonna start feeling like home as well.
yeah, so now the plan is just to go around the area a little and see what's here.
Yeah.
So they are home for 1.5 days more, and then we're gonna cook some dinner, I think.
Yeah.
And just enjoy the rest of the evening.
The area is beautiful, so let's
It's very,
just
very nice.
walk around.
And it's sunset, so it's perfect timing.
Do you want a beer with it? Cider?
Yeah, maybe. We can get that from our...
Oh, sorry.
Already
But this
down.
was a very, very successful day. We planned it really good, and I'm just super excited for what's next. And I am a bit scared for tonight, for the sleeping part, but
It's gonna be fine. We were so much worried that it was gonna be rainy. It's been the most amazing day.